Hurricane John came flying down, stole the trees from the ground, captured the clouds from the sky. I don't know why, lands now buried with upturned earth, lost everything that was anywhere, still finding how everything is there. And then it's gone, I guess that's how we lost our way. Let go of love and grow vain, but sharing this with the lives of the same. I guess we're not so unique anyway. Hurricane John came flying down, swept all the leaves off the ground, crossing the full and back to the light. I don't know why everybody's crying for what they've lost. Shouldn't we be grateful for what we've got? Nothing ever lasts, and that's the truth. Just look at me and you, said it would be how we lose our way. Let go of love and grow vain, assuring this is the life of the same. I guess we're not so unique anyway.